Best smart light switches enhance home automation, improve energy efficiency, enable remote control, and provide convenient, customizable lighting experiences daily. My today's video is about top 5 best smart light switches review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pass and Seymour Radiant Smart Light Switch. The Legrand Pass and Seymour Radiant Wi-Fi Smart Dimmer Switch delivers a premium smart lighting experience with reliable performance and elegant design. Its seamless compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa makes daily lighting control effortless, whether you're relaxing at home or away on vacation. The scheduling and remote access features add both convenience and an extra sense of security to your home automation setup. Built with high-impact resistant thermoplastic construction, the smart dimmer feels durable and engineered for long-term reliability. Installation is surprisingly straightforward, making it an excellent upgrade for homeowners looking to modernize existing switches without complicated wiring setups. The Smart Lights app provides smooth control and easy customization for brightness and schedules. What truly stands out is the sleek Radiant Collection design, which adds a refined, modern touch compared to ordinary switches. Combining functionality, durability, and smart home convenience, this dimmer switch is an impressive choice for creating a smarter and more stylish living space. Now our second product is Legrand Radiant CFL/LED Dimmer Light Switch. This universal dimmer switch stands out for its exceptional compatibility and user-friendly performance, making it a reliable upgrade for both residential and commercial lighting systems. Supporting 0-10V for wire LED and fluorescent lighting in both single-pole and three-way setups, it offers impressive flexibility across a wide range of installations. The low-profile paddle switch delivers smooth and responsive on-off control, while the separate ergonomic slider allows precise brightness adjustments for creating the perfect atmosphere. One of its most convenient features is the built-in locator light, which softly glows in the dark, making the switch easy to find at night without being distracting. Its automatic memory function is especially useful, restoring lights to the previous brightness setting after power interruptions. The customizable dimming adjustment dial further improves compatibility with various LED and CFL bulbs, helping reduce flickering and ensuring smoother dimming performance. Overall, this dimmer combines practicality, versatility, and refined control in one dependable lighting solution. Our third product is Martin Jerry Smart Switch by Martin Jerry. The Martin Jerry RPS02 Smart Wall Switch offers an excellent balance of smart functionality, clean design, and reliable everyday performance. Its rocker paddle style creates a modern, consistent appearance that blends seamlessly with other switches in the RP series, making it ideal for homeowners building a unified smart home setup. One of the standout features is the dual relay 2-gang design, allowing you to control 2 separate lighting loads from a single switch panel. Integration with the Smart Life and Tuya Smart apps is smooth and responsive, giving users convenient remote control and automation features. Voice assistant support through Alexa and Google Home also works reliably for hands-free control. Installation is straightforward for users familiar with basic electrical wiring, though the required neutral wire should be considered before purchase. The switch feels durable, operates responsively, and supports a wide voltage range for flexibility. Combined with lifetime tech support and a 1-year warranty, it delivers strong value for smart home enthusiasts. Now number 4, Sonoff Zigbee Smart Light Switch. The ZBM5 Zigbee Smart Wall Switch delivers a powerful and flexible smart lighting experience designed for modern connected homes. Its remote control capability allows users to manage lights from anywhere via smartphone, eliminating the need for manual switching and adding true convenience to daily routines. However, it does require a Sonoff Zigbee gateway, which is essential for full functionality. One of its strongest advantages is its neutral wire flexibility, making it suitable for a wider range of home wiring setups. This significantly reduces installation limitations and makes upgrades easier for many households. The switch stands out for its open-source compatibility, supporting integration with Home Assistant through Zigbee 2 MQTT, which is ideal for advanced smart home users who want multi-brand automation. Voice control via Alexa and Google Home adds hands-free convenience, while the eWeLink app enables scheduling, timers, and scene creation for personalized automation. Overall, it is a highly adaptable, automation-ready smart switch built for both beginners and smart home enthusiasts. And our last choice is Moross Smart Light Switch 4-pack. This Moross Smart Switch offers a well-balanced mix of convenience, reliability, and intelligent home automation for everyday lighting control. Designed for standard wall plates, it requires a neutral wire and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, but the installation process is made simple through clear step-by-step guidance in the Maras app. One of its key strengths is remote access, allowing users to monitor and control lights from anywhere, whether at work or traveling, eliminating the worry of leaving lights on. The scheduling and timer features are highly practical, enabling personalized routines, countdowns, and even sunrise and sunset automation for natural lighting transitions throughout the day. Voice control through Amazon Alexa adds hands-free convenience, making it especially useful in dark rooms or busy moments. What truly enhances its value is the local and offline control capability, ensuring schedules continue to run even without internet, along with fast, stable response times. Overall, it is a dependable smart switch that combines smart automation with everyday practicality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.